Imagine a cat that's both alive and dead at the same time. Sounds crazy, right? That's Schrödinger's famous thought experiment. But what if I told you that the quantum world is even more mind-blowing? In the world of quantum physics, where particles like electrons and photons don't play by the same rules as the stuff we see every day. Instead of being in one place or another, they exist in a superposition, a mix of multiple states at once. Think of it like our Schrödinger's cat being alive and dead simultaneously until you peek inside the box. Wild, huh? This mind-boggling concept of superposition is what gives quantum computers their incredible power. While your regular computer processes bits as zeros or ones, a quantum computer uses qubits that can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This allows them to crunch through massive amounts of data at lightning speed, solving problems that would take classical computers eons to figure out. And it gets even better. Superposition, along with other quantum effects like entanglement, is set to revolutionize our world. Imagine unhackable quantum encryption that keeps your data safer than ever, or simulating complex biological molecules with uncanny precision, paving the way for groundbreaking medical advancements. So, the next time you hear about particles existing in multiple realities at once, remember, it's not just science fiction. It's the future of technology and it's happening now.